Alright guys, here is a quick one, and here I will detail how to send message to someone on Rednote. So if you want to send a message to someone on your Rednote account, but you don't know how to go about this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send message to someone on Rednote, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Rednote account on your phone. Now, once you open the Rednote account on your phone, you can just go ahead, search for the person you want to send a message to. If the person is your follower or following list, just come here, locate the follower or the following list, click on it like this, and then click on the user's name. Once you click on the user's profile, click on this message icon just beside the follow button. Then you should be able to send a message to this particular person. And once you send a message like this, go ahead and click on the send button. Then you should see the message sent. You can also record this message by pressing and holding the message and then click on record. So that is it. So if you want to send a message to anyone on the trending page or on the Rednote homepage, all you just need to do is click on the video of the person's profile, then go to the person's profile page. And while on the person's profile page, locate and click on this message icon. And once you click on that, you can now go ahead, come here, leave a message, and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to send a message to someone on Rednote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.